Okay, you're charged with reckless driving. You have the right to an attorney. If you want one, I will give you one. Do you want a lawyer? I'll arraign you and I'll explain the possible penalties and then I'll send you to the prosecutor if that's what you want. Okay. On November 27 of 25, it is alleged that you did operate a motor vehicle on Huron River Drive near Hazel.
This courtroom starts quietly, but what unfolds is anything but routine. Today you're about to witness a defendant buried under multiple driving cases, unpaid bonds, and a suspended license spiral that just keeps getting worse. A judge is about to juggle 5 separate files, thousands of dollars in fees, and a defendant who's been missing court for months. And just when you think it can't get more complicated, a DUI case with a blood alcohol level twice the legal limit explodes onto the docket. This isn't just traffic court. This is real-life consequences stacking up in real time. Watch closely, because every decision made here today could change someone's freedom, their finances, and their future.
In Rockwood with recklessly, that is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 500 fines, 93 days jail. Costs of all of those 6 points in your license would be suspended. There'd be a hard suspension by the Secretary of State. For some reason, I can't remember if it's 90 or 120 days. Assume the worst. Do you understand that? All right. Did you sign the advice of rights? Did you read and understand the rights? If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a trial of any kind. Do you understand that? Okay. Do you still wish to waive your right to a lawyer?
No.
I'll enter a not guilty plea, $500 personal bond. Do you work, ma'am?
I currently still work next week on Friday
Where?
at the local station.
All right. I'll go ahead and appoint you a lawyer for this, John. She's going to need a lawyer too. And you go out in the hallway, tell the lawyer defendant was arraigned and defense attorney to pre-try. Okay?
Okay.
Good luck, ma'am. Either way, you're coming back in front of me. Kira Ann Graham. 25F245277. 25T644716. B 24T644312. 24F242667. Your name?
You're a grant.
Boy, ma'am, you got to show up in court. You know that?
I know.
Cannot do this. You've missed and missed and missed. All right. You posted a bond of 282 on 716B and 213 on 644312. Would that cover both of those, Heather?
On which ones were those on, Judge? I'm sorry.
That's okay. So we have 252 on file 25T644716B. Would that cover that case?
362 is the balance on that.
Okay. You in 213, will that cover the balance on the set 24T644312?
That is 248 balance on that one.
Will 309 cover the balance on 25T644716A? No, that's
344 is that balance.
Here's what I'm going to do. I'll give you a lawyer if you want. You posted the bond. I'll waive the balances on those 4 cases, okay? You got a 405 owed that you posted a bond on 24F242667. So I can get rid of those 4 cases if you want it. I'll send you to the Flat Rock prosecutor, or I'll give you a lawyer on the other drivewall suspend. It's up to you.
I'm not sure which to do.
It's up to you. If you want a lawyer, I'll be glad to give you one. If you don't, I'm going to go ahead and arraign you. That is, explain the charge, the possible penalties, and your rights on the new suspend.
Okay.
And then I'd send you to the prosecutor to talk.
I'll just go speak.
So on December 7 of 25, it is alleged that you did operate a motor vehicle in the city of Flat Rock, County of Wayne, with a suspended license on Telegraph near Leonard at 2:33 in the morning. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 500 fines, 90 days jail, 93 days jail. Costs are all those. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And did you sign, read, and understand, John? I need those. I'm sorry. No, I got it. If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights and there will be no hearing or trial. Do you understand that?
Okay.
You still wish to waive your right to a lawyer? Not guilty, please enter. $500 personal bond. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. You cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. Now, I can get rid of these other ones right now for you. Mr. Kaylee, can you remember, are you out there?
He's in a breakout room, Judge. You want me to bring him out?
No, just. Yeah, would you please? And put him in front of me real quick. I just want to
Yeah.
explain. Ms. Graham, I hope you're going to learn a lesson today.
Absolutely.
Well, what are you doing? I mean, come on, hold it.
Too old for this.
Hold it.
I'll be 40 this year.
Why would you do this to yourself? I don't understand. You're going to still have to pay any clearance fees involved. I want to be clear.
I was gonna ask, how do I take care of getting it cleared through the?
You're going to have to pay a $45 clearance fee. I believe just on, correct me, one case, because I'm going to waive any balances on the rest of these.
Thank you so much.
Heather, okay?
He should be coming in here in a minute, Judge. There he is.
Mr. Cayley, good morning. Your name? Happy New Year to you. Listen, I've got 5 cases here. She posted bonds on 4 of them. I'm going to waive the extra warrant fee. She's going to have to pay 1 clearance fee, but she has 1 new suspend charge. She's waived her right to a lawyer. I'm sending you this one. I'm going to keep the other 4. She's going to end up having to pay those. She's been absconding for a while here. These were from August of 24.
So the other 4 have been adjudicated?
Correct. She's posted bonds.
Okay.
And she might be $35 short on this one and that one, but I'm going to waive those. So I'm just going to give you the 1 Flat Rock case, but I wanted you to be aware if you want to cut her a bigger break. John, can you hand it to him? That I'm going to keep these other 4, and she's paid about somewhere in the neighborhood of $213, $482. So that's $495, $795, $804, $1204, $1209. She's paid on these other 4.
That's clear for driver's license?
Yes. Well, I don't know. I didn't look close enough.
Okay.
She's going to have to pay 1 clearance fee. I'm going to make her pay on the 1 no proof of insurance. I'll just have them give you all of those. Just send them all back. Okay. I just wanted you to be aware of what was going on. You go with him. I mean, I don't know if he can get you in now, but
Okay.
Just have a seat, Holland.
Okay.
Heather, I don't know. Where do we get these advice or rights? Do you think we can have somebody staple those?
Your Honor, it's me. I'm not.
All
I'm
right.
trying. I'm doing my best.
Fine. Daniel Joseph Conway, 25F245159A. Which one do you have there, Mr. I don't have your file in B. So if you want to go scrounge it up, I'll call you, Mr. Osmond. I don't have it. Which one?
Audrey Christoph?
She's charged with operating while intoxicated. What do you have here? I mean, first of all, does she stand mute? Wave forward.
Way forward for random purposes, no need to leave the court.
Okay, I'll enter a not guilty plea, and now she's going to plead guilty to operating while impaired with the OWI to be dismissed, correct? Is that what you want to do, ma'am?
Yes.
If you plead guilty here, the possible penalties are up to 300 fine. I'm sorry, up to 300 fines, 93 days jail, 360 hours community service. Court costs are all of those. 4 points would be added to your traffic record, and your license would be suspended or revoked in accordance with your traffic record. You understand that?
Yes, I understand.
And did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights, and there will not be a hearing or a trial. Do you understand that?
Yes, I understand.
Do you have any questions before we go on?
No.
To the charge operating while visibly impaired, how do you plead?
Yep.
Were you operating a motor vehicle on November 23 of 25 at 1:55 in the morning on Telegraph near Eastern River Drive in Flat Rock?
Yes.
Did you consume alcohol at that time? And if so, what did you consume and how much?
Yes, I got a blood test. It was 0.15.
.159?
Yeah.
And do you stipulate that that was an accurate reading for purposes of the plea?
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No,
How much did you drink that night, ma'am?
I had 5 drinks that night.
What kind of drinks?
2 seltzers, a mixed drink, and 2 beers.
Why were you pulled over by the police?
I was in an improper lane.
What do you mean by that?
I was in the straight lane instead of the left turn.
She made a left turn from the wrong lane.
I see. Anybody force you to plead guilty here?
No.
You still wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to accept your guilty plea. I find it to be an accurate plea made voluntarily and understandingly. That plea is accepted. I'm going to go ahead and dismiss the OWI. I'm going to give you a personal bond of $1,000. I do want you going to AANA at least one time a week. She's 21, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you're young to be here, and that concerns me, right? You have twice the legal limit. So I'm going to go ahead in order that you not leave the state without the consent of the court, that you cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed, AANA once a week. He's going to hand you a form. No marijuana, no alcohol, no illegal drugs. Do you understand all that?
Yes, I understand.
All right. And also no contact with prosecution witnesses. We'll give you a copy of this bond sheet. We'll give you a copy of your notice, and then you're going over to be screened and assessed. You have a date for me, Heather?
Yes, February 5th at 9:15.
Good with you?
February 5th at night. Judge, I'm gonna be gone February 5th through the 8th.
Good for you. All right, let's, I don't really even need to do this on a flat rock. There was no accident, right?
No, there's nothing.
I don't need to do this even on a flat rock day, Heather. We could do this on a Monday if you want, the following week, but he's not available on the 5th. If you want to do it on the,
What were the dates that he's out of town?
5th through the 8th.
right.
February.
Do you want to do the 4th? Does that work?
That would work.
Okay, we'll do the 4th.
Let me
Yeah.
take a look at a time for the 4th real quick here.
He's retained. How about we try 8:30? Is that good?
We could do
That's fine.
8:30 if he's
Perfect.
available. Okay.
8:30. Okay, good luck. Be careful. Okay, thank you.
Probation.
Yes. Yes, and she can first go down and get her notice and then back over to probation, and they'll give her a condition of the bond sheet too.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank
Have a
you.
good day. Good luck.
Thank you.
Okay, just keep your voice up nice and loud. You are going to plead responsible to impeding traffic, right?
Yes, sir.
To that charge, responsible or not responsible?
So,
Okay, I'm gonna accept your plea of responsibility to that charge. I'm gonna set fines and costs in the amount of $150, okay? You can go down the hall and pay that, and you're all set.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck. Jacob Martin, file 25R5-14450. Good morning.
Yeah.
Your name?
Jacob Martin?
All right, so you're gonna plead to impeding, right?
Yes, sir.
Responsible or not responsible to this? Plea is accepted. 150 is your total. You can go down the hall. Hang on one second, please. Oh, no, I can't charge just 150. You've got some entries here. $175, okay?
Yes, sir.
You can go down the hall and pay that, and you're all set. Good luck.
Thank
Happy New Year.
you.
How you doing, Mr. Gailey?
Well,
Good.
this is curious. 4 cases.
Oh, okay, okay. Come on up here, ma'am. People against Kira Graham, Kira Ann Graham, 25F245877. All right, how are you?
Good.
Your name?
Kara Graham.
You met with a prosecutor. You're going to plead guilty, this says, to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, right?
Correct.
That's 0 points. It won't go on your record. If you plead to that, I'm going to dismiss the suspend charge. The possible penalties on this are up to 500 fines, 90 days jail, costs, or all of those penalties. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
And did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights form here
Yes, I
today?
do.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and we're not going to have a trial of any kind. Do you understand me?
Yes, we do.
You still wish to waive your right to a lawyer?
Yes.
The charge, allowing unlicensed driver to drive, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Were you in control of a motor vehicle that was being operated on Telegraph near Leonard and Flat Rock, December 7 of 25?
Yes.
And were you operating that vehicle? And your license was suspended at the time, and you knew that. Is that true? It's still suspended, right?
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
Yes.
Please accept it to that charge. I'll sentence you, and I'm dismissing the suspend pursuant to the agreement. Give me 1 second, okay? Where do you work at?
I work at a place called Flex Services. I do clerical work for a small business.
This is a third-party poster. Who's the third-party poster?
My mother.
Is your mother here?
No.
She gonna let you apply the bond?
Yes.
You better call there. Go down the hall,
Okay.
get your phone.
I have it.
Okay, just go right out in the hall, call your mom, and I'm gonna have her call you, Heather, right? Or should I have her call the cashier?
Cashier, her extension is 212.
So listen, it's 734. Here, I'm gonna write it down for you.
Thank you.
Here, Sadie, can you make that to her, please? You come on up there and get that.
Thank you.
And then if she can call, then they'll tell me, then I'll send you on this, okay? Fair enough?
Yes.
All right, good luck.
Thank you.
People against. Ramirez Vasquez. 25F 10140. I'm not sure what green, see,
You generally a translator.
okay. Can I see the docket a second? Can you hand me a copy of the docket? Okay, John, come here 1 second, please. Let me pull his name up. See, Heather, can I ask a question?
Yes, Judge.
This Ramirez Vasquez, he needs a Spanish interpreter. It's just here for a review hearing. The problem is it's impossible for us to tell when somebody puts it down as a show cause. This is not a show cause today. I've never paid attention before, frankly, but shouldn't it be down as a review hearing or something? Because then at least my court officer's going to know to give it to the prosecutor. And then the defendant's not going to have wait in court and have me tell him it has to go to the prosecutor.
Yes,
I'm
let
going
me
to talk to you about that later. But Mr. Cayley, it's just you. He doesn't speak English.
Does it say he's compliant?
They just wrote balance 0 because I didn't order anything else. I want to convey. I hate to bring in an interpreter just to convey to him I'm dismissing the case. Is there a way we can do that? Anyway, don't we have that little translator with advice of rights, or is it just with advice of rights?
as far as in
I don't know how to
Spanish,
tell the guy I want to dismiss
Yeah.
his case. I don't have to
I
hire an
mean,
interpreter.
we up here just use Google Translate on our phone when we speak to them in Spanish. I have it on my phone. I don't know if anyone in the courtroom has it on their phone.
We're going to have to figure that out. Jeez. You got any ideas? I'm going to dismiss your case. You
Judge,
can
you want
go.
me to come down real quick with my phone? Or do you want to send him down here and I
Yeah,
can tell him on
I'll
my
send
phone?
him down. Can you understand it all? No, you
Do
can't.
you want me to
Can
run down real quick, Judge?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll come down with my
he's
phone
down.
real quick. Okay, I'll come down.
So you're moving to dismiss, right? He
Yes.
paid his money. He's done everything else. So dismiss motion of the prosecutor. Wait 1 second.
Hold on one second. Yeah, just
Nice.
a little.
That's better than I can. I could do Ola K Tal. That's all I remember from high school.
Kind of coach on a supplement.
Sure. We're on YouTube.
Oh. Let me go off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your name?
Madison Lenore.
All right. You didn't check in with the prosecutor yet, right?
No, I did not.
So this is a review hearing.
Neely's in the courtroom, you know.
Where's she at?
Right.
Why didn't you come up here when they called your case?
You said my brother, you said J1. I'm Jemiah.
Well, I mean, I can't have you representing. Hang on. Okay, so on review hearings, John, we got to send them over to the prosecutor.
Yeah.
Is he in what? Is he at 249?
Yes.
Just get here.
Your Honor?
Yeah, real quick on this Molinari, it's just a review hearing. I'm going to ask you to take a look at this. We should have had this into you before. My apologies.
No worries.
Thank you. John has it. Thanks. Ma'am, you go meet with the prosecutor and then you'll come back in here, okay? I don't understand. Is Jay Jawan, are you Jay Jawan?
No, that's my brother.
Well, where's Jay Jawan?
She said.
Are you here? You're not trying to represent him or anything.
No.
I have two Neely's. I had that one and I had.
They must have pulled the wrong file. Here, where's Molinari? Give Molinari to Bill, will you?
Hang on, Bill. Hang on. Everybody sure? Sure.
We might have pulled the wrong file here, Heather.
Bill. Well, this is Matthew. So that's Mr.
Judge,
So
we do have Jay Jawan under the 840s today, but we also have Janiyah on too. We have a lot of G Neelys on the docket today.
I see.
State denial.
Yeah, so these are not the right files. Charles Lester Laney, 25W39812.
Good morning, Judge. And as I get to come back from Mr. Neely. Ladies, I apologize. I'm not caught up with the whole thing.
I can't.
Mr. Lane, state your full name.
Charles.
I'm not gonna adjourn this again.
Your Honor, may counsel and I approach
Your appearance-
briefly.
your appearance-
William Urick, County City, Whitney.
Why wasn't he here December 10th?
Judge, that was on me. There was confusion as to whether or not,
How was there confusion?
well, Judge, I was retained on this case way back in September. Originally, they had assigned Mr. Laney to my brother, who was also an attorney, Judge. And the notices were going to him.
Guys, I can't keep adjourning these.
This would be a last, may we approach Joe?
It's 100 days old already.
I understand, Judge.
Very quickly.
Judge, I haven't wanted him so.
Hang on a second.
Okay.
John, go off YouTube a sec, will you? Go off the record, please. You have 21 days to appeal, 14 days to apply for a court-appointed lawyer for purposes of appeal. You have a bond here. It looks like, right, Heather, of 4,010%, is that correct?
Yes, Judge. Yes.
We transferred one from another file, right?
Yes, that's where this bond came from.
So you have 360 to apply. Does he have the remaining 230?
There you go.
Okay, 360 now, that's your bond. That's in his name, right, Heather?
Let me double check that, Judge.
Your Honor, he could pay the 230 by tomorrow.
Okay,
Yes, it is,
Look-
Judge.
okay, so you can pay that by the 9th tomorrow, okay?
Yeah,
So
he can do that online, correct?
Yes, and he's going to meet with probation just to set up a court work program. Best of luck. Keep
Thanks,
doing
Judge.
what you're doing. Thank you,
I
Mr.
appreciate
Bogart.
it.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, you have a good day and to you and your staff. and
You
Happy
too.
New Year, Judge.
Same to you. Drew Richard Dupre, 25F245129A.
Today's courtroom exposed exactly how the justice system balances mercy, money, and public safety. We saw a defendant overwhelmed by license suspensions and unpaid cases get partial relief, but still face consequences for driving illegally. We saw a young DUI defendant with a dangerously high blood alcohol level ordered into treatment instead of jail, because the court wants to stop the behavior before it becomes fatal. And we saw how even something as simple as a language barrier can affect justice in real time. These aren't just court files, they're lives hanging in the balance. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.